Greeting of the day, dear student. Today I will talk about nutrient management and fertilizer technology course. And this is an important course in BSc Agri Business and Management and BSc Agriculture. And this course covers an important topic of biofertilizers. Today I will be dealing with this important topic of biofertilizers. Biofertilizers are efficient microorganisms which fix atmospheric nitrogens and mineralize other macro and micronutrients. Symbiotic nitrogen fixer bacteria are rhizobial cells which are present in our soils in large number depending upon the soil fertility. They form nodules on leguminous crops and which they form nodules on root of leguminous plants which fix atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into ammonia with the help of nitrogenase enzyme. Pink nodules are more effective for fixing atmospheric nitrogen. Pink color of the nodule is due to presence of leg hemoglobin which controls the supply of oxygen to the nitrogenase enzyme. In the presence of more supply of oxygen, nitrogenase enzyme becomes inactive and this leads to non-fixation of nitrogen. There are many cross-inoculation group of rhizobia and rhizobium isolated from one legume of a particular group of legume infects all legume present in that cross-inoculation group. So for different legume there are different species of rhizobia. Nodulated legume fix 50 to 200 kg of nitrogen per hectare per year and contribute significantly in nitrogen fertility of the soil. Growing legumes as crop in cropping system saves a lot of nitrogenous fertilizer at national level without affecting productivity of crop. Plant provides home and energy for nitrogen fixation to rhizobia, whereas bacteria provide fixed nitrogen in the form of ammonia to plant. Green manuring crop also fixes atmospheric nitrogen and improves nitrogen fertility of soil. Asymbiotic nitrogen fixers. Azotobacter bacteria are asymbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria which fix atmospheric nitrogen outside the root of non-leguminous plant and make it available to the plant. These nitrogen fixing bacteria also produce plant growth promoting substances like auxin and gibberellins which help in seed germination and plant growth. They also produce many vitamins. They are present in large number in rhizosphere in fertile soil. Common species of azotobacters are Azotobacter crucocum and Azotobacter vinylandi. These species are differentiated by production of black to brown and green pigments. Substantial increase in yield of non-leguminous crop has been reported by inoculation of effective culture of Azotobacter. Azotobacters are cultured in laboratory on Ashby and Jensen medium in laboratory, which does not contain any source of nitrogens. Azospirillum is another aerobic to microaerobic gram-negative nitrogen fixing bacterium. Its common species are Azospirillum bacillans and Azospirillum lipoferum. It is cultured on semi-solid mallet medium. It occurs inside and outside the root as associated symbiotic bacterium. It produces plant growth promoting substances and fixes nitrogen of about 20 to 40 kg nitrogen per hectare per year. It also helps in controlling plant pathogen by outcompeting them in rhizosphere. P-solubilizing microorganism. P-solubilizing microorganism like Bacillus, Pseudomonas, Aspergillus, Penicillium, Trichoderma solubilize insoluble inorganic phosphorus by producing organic acid like acetic acid, succinic acids, propionic acid. Other mechanism of P-solubilizing by these microbes are production of inorganic acid, chelating effect, production of hydrogen sulfide and siderophore. They solubilize rock phosphate and other insoluble phosphate and make it available to the plant. They also mineralize organic phosphorus Effective culture of these microbes are multiplied and marketed as biofertilizer for pea solubilization. They are cultured on media containing insoluble source of phosphorus. Algal biofertilizer. Blue-green algae are present in paddy fields on stagnated water as green mat. Rice ecosystem is ideal for growth of blue-green algae in terms of light, water, temperature and nutrient availability. Common genera of blue-green algae are Anabina, Nostoc, Calothrix. Blue-green algae are present in our soils in sufficient numbers and preferably higher in wet soils and cultured in liquid media containing macro, micro, nutrients and vitamins in the presence of light. Effective cultures are multiplied in large galvanized trays and are sold as biofertilizer as dried biomass of these blue-green algae. They fix atmospheric nitrogen in heterocyst containing nitrogenase enzymes. Blue-green algae are unicellular or multicellular in structure and contain green and blue and other pigment for photosynthesis. They produce plant growth promoting substances and many vitamins which help plant to grow better in their presence. There are reports of substantial increase in plant growth and yield of paddy and other crops on their inoculations and saving of about 25 to 30% nitrogen. Effective culture of blue-green algae are being sold by IRI, State Agricultural University, biofertilizer companies, mass multiplication and seed inoculations. Effective culture of Rhizobium, Zotobacter, Azospirillum and pea solubilizers are inoculated in their respective liquid media in small quantity in conical flasks and prepared started cultures by incubating at optimum temperature. Started culture is inoculated to more quantity of liquid media of 500 ml 1 liter and these prepared culture are then inoculated in large quantity of 10, 20 and 50 liter liquid media in fermenter. Large quantity of liquid media are then mixed with carrier sterilized materials of powdered charcoal, lignite and peat soil containing more organic matter. Mixed biofertilizers containing large number of particular biofertilizer microbe and optimum moistures is then packed in sterilized polythene containing indicating date of manufacture, expiry date, method of inoculation, name of culture, etc. These packets containing biofertilizer for 1 acre of area, seed inoculated with 10% good solution. Inoculated seeds are dried in shade and sown immediately. Cultures can be applied as liquid by applying dilution of these cultures in sufficient quantity of water in furrows in the vicinity of seed and soil. Inoculation of blue-green algae and conclusion. Biofertilizers of blue-green algae are sold as dried biomass of blue-green algae as packet meant for application to 1 acre of area. These are spread on stagnated water in paddy fields or wet soils of other crops. Biofertilizers are low-cost cultures of effective microbe which fix nitrogen and solubilize P, K and micronutrients. Specific biofertilizer of P, K, N and zinc and iron and other micronutrient solubilizing microbes are also prepared and marketed by agency already listed in presentation. Farmer must apply these low-cost eco-friendly biofertilizer for maximum benefit to crops and purification of open environment. They increase plant growth and yield of crops by making nutrient available to the crops and producing plant growth promoting substances.